Hi, we are watching this video because you are encountering the Java exception due to this keyword being introduced in a static block. So the exception that you're seeing is Java non-static variable this cannot be referenced from a static context. So the example that I have here is I'm having example test class which is printing hello world, and then I'm having an object created for test name class, and inside this block I'm trying to pass this keyword assuming I'm able to refer this object. So this is the error of this program, and let me explain why. Now I have written this keyword in a method called static method. So when you say static method, it refers to its own fields or any other field that you wanted to refer here. It will be giving an error because static means it's its own class, not some other class. So you will have to remove this keyword from here. Once you remove that and run the example, you will be getting the output, which is I'm trying to print the hello world, and then when I'm calling this name, let's go to the class. So the class is having non-parameterized constructor and parameterized constructor. In the non-parameterized constructor, I'm trying to print the class member value, which is AAA. It is getting printed when I'm calling this. And in the parameterized constructor also, I'm trying to print my first statement that I'm trying to do is print the object. I'm trying to print the object. And after that, I'm coming to another line, which is parameterized constructor passed with value new. So this constructor is going to be called. It is getting called and I pass new year. And when this statement gets printed, it is still printing me AAA, which is the class variable. And in my second line also, it is printing name. That is why, because at this point of time, my current object is calling my class member variable, which is this AAA. And this name is the name that I have passed to the parameterized constructor, which is new, that is coming from the constructor that is getting called. And finally, to differentiate class variable and the constructor variable, I'm trying to assign the constructor variable this name to the name that I have, which is this one. So that AAA is not going to be printed, else it is going to be printing me new, which is new. I have another statement trying to print get name and another name, which is new and new, because we have, by the time it is going to get called, we have assigned the name to the current object value, which is new. Well, it's a very simple explanation. The error was basically happening because I was using this keyword in a static block. And thanks for watching. Bye.